Hey everybody, Nick from DSI here. I'm so incredibly excited to show you today the brand new, just released WorkSport AL4 Hard Folding Aluminum Panel Cover. Now, you're familiar with the AL3 Pro, which has become one of our top selling bed covers. This is the new AL4. What differentiates them? Well, a lot of new updates, but the main update being the cover now locks down the side and flips up over the back window. The AL3 was able to be taken on and off, but did not have the flip up feature. So let's take a look at how this works. Obviously you have your strap at the back of the truck. Pull the first strap, there's a second strap on the second panel. In this position, obviously you are able to drive. They have buckles if you want to leave it in this position. Otherwise, you would pull the third strap and lift it up. So this does allow for full bed access with the cover still intact. It has the little kickstands, which keep that cover away from the cab. There is a kickstand on each side. Very simple. You pull the little red tabs, lift it out, they go right on that ball joint. So let's take a closer look at the specs and features. All right, so as I mentioned, the cover, these kickstands, prevent the cover from making contact with the cab, so it protects the paint, and this is meant to be driven on. So if you have something that's really tall and you want full bed access, you can drive with this cover up and it's not going anywhere. It's completely stable on there. To remove the kickstand, it's very simple. You just pull on this little red tab and then it will come loose from that ball joint. And what's really nice is they just store neatly in the bed, so they're out of the way. They're not going to be, moved or kicked by anything that may get into your bed. And then obviously there's one on each side, but I'm going to take a look at the seals here. So first of all, they have a rubber bubble seal on the cover itself, which is very nice, helps keep water out. But for the first time ever on any aftermarket cover that I've seen, I could be wrong, but there's actually a seal on the bed rail itself. So you have dual seals, one on the cover and one on the bed rail. And one thing to note is this cover does have bed rails. This is new for WorkSport. The AL3 Pro did not have any bed rails, but the advantage to having a bed rail in this instance is it allows you to have locking points at each side of the cover. So each of the three panels have these little plates that those latches are going to snap down onto, so it locks all the way down the side. Moving to the passenger side here, we'll just remove our kickstand, hopefully not hit myself in the head. So that will come down. Again, just store aside. Then this cover, very simply, we would drop one panel, drop the second panel, and we are good to go. As I mentioned, this cover locks all the way down the side. Security is becoming more and more important with these trucks, so you don't want to be able to lift these panels up and try to get in the side. I mean, this is completely secure. No matter how hard I pull, that will not be coming up. And then obviously, once you close your tailgate, you are good to go with a completely secure cover. As always with WorkSport, you're getting an amazing finish on the top. It has this nice matte black finish on the top of these very thick aluminum panels. But it just looks so nice, looks so sharp. It has a tough but sleek look, low profile, about a ½ inch above the box. But this is the quality we've come to expect with WorkSport. They've really knocked it out of the park with this one. So visit our website, dsiautomotive.com, for more details or give your rep a call today.